Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Epic Games' Fall Guys missing files. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm going to show you two methods. So for the first one, we want to open up our computer search and search for run. Open this up here, we'll type msconfig, click on OK. Now from the system configuration. Here we want to go to services and scroll down until you're able to find any instances Epic Online Services. And if they're stopped, we just want to toggle those on, click on Apply. Click on OK and restart your PC. Now if that doesn't work for you, what you can do is open up the Epic Games launcher here. Go to Library, just find Fall Guys. Click on the three dots under the icon. Go to Manage. Then you will just click on Verify Files here and just verify the integrity of your installation. And the last thing that I can suggest doing, if that didn't work either, is uninstalling Epic Games altogether. So you want to open up your computer search, go to Add or Remove Programs. Here we will just search this list for Epic Games, and Epic actually just Epic Games Launcher and Epic Online Services. And you want to uninstall both of these instances and reinstall them. So that's what I suggest doing. So that's basically how you can fix Epic Games Fall Guys missing files. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.